Mamma mia, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something fun. We're gonna to recreate this e-commerce homepage in SwiftUI. Now, full disclosure, this design isn't mine. I stumbled across it online and thought, hey, why not turn this into a SwiftUI project and vibe code our way through it? If you want to get the link to this design, what I did, I've dropped the Figma link down in the description. Here we are with a fresh and empty project. First thing first, we need to create a pink color. Now let's grab our assets. And keep in mind that you can get all these images from Figma. Let's start this off with our header view. And this one is going to be super simple. On the left, we want our menu icon. In the middle, we want our title. And on the very right, we want our notification icon. And as you can see, nothing fancy, but it sets the tone for up. The next thing we want here is our search bar. So let's go ahead and create a search bar. Do you want to level up your Swift UI skills? If you do, go ahead and check out my Swift UI quiz app. In this course, I'll teach you how to build an app from scratch, okay, using the MVVM architecture. I'll also show you how you can use an Excel sheet as a database. So if you are serious about learning Swift UI, or if you simply want to build an app for your portfolio, I strongly recommend you to check out the link in the description. Now, let's move on to this category section. And voila, we've got a smooth, horizontally and scrollable category selector. Now, let's move on to the last part of this video, which is going to be this grid view. And this one is going to be a little bit tricky. Why? Simply because, as you can see, our images don't have the same height. Okay. And at first, I'd wanted to go with a regular grid view. But since we want to stick to our design, what I ended up doing is create two grid view, okay, one for each column, okay. So let's go ahead and write the code, and then we'll come back and explain everything. And the first thing we need here is a card view, okay. So let's go ahead and create a product card view. Yeah, we need a product model. And for a model, what we need an ID, we need a name, we need a price, and we also need an image. Okay. Now our card view needs to take a product. And yeah, for the view itself, I'm simply going to copy and paste what I have. Now that we have a product card view, what we want, we can go ahead and create a grade view. First thing first, yeah, we need mock data. And this is what I was talking about. Yeah, as you can see, we have two lazy V stack, okay? And as we said, the reason why we need two is simply because we want to stick to a design, okay? So here on this first column, what we have, we display here only even numbers, okay? What do that mean? Yeah, from this mock data, the first one is index 0, okay, which is even, okay. So we take the first one, the first product, and we display here, okay. And here we want to display the second one, okay, which is uneven, okay. So this one is going to be number 1, okay. So this is number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3, okay, and so on. So if we have more product, okay, we will always have the even numbers here on the first column, okay, and the uneven numbers on the right column, okay. So this is the way I found to fix this issue or to stick to a design, okay. If you have a better way, please let me know in the comments. That's the end of this video, and in the next video we'll see how to add a floating menu, okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if that's the case, please like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, take care. Bye bye.